upper and lowercase k and L. If you are enjoying writing along with me, I have some classes where every week I meet with learners and we practice our print, and I do meet with some learners practicing cursive. So I will put the links down below for that if that's something you're interested in. But if you like writing on your own or coming here and visiting me in these videos, I do have some worksheets that might be helpful for you as well. So you can find those down below. Let's get started. Uppercase K. Big line down, pick up your pencil. Little line diagonal, little line down. Big line down, little line diagonal. You can see it just goes right under that dotted line. And then the next one goes a little above the dotted line, down to the baseline. Take your time with these. This one's a little trickier because of the different angles of little lines. We probably don't use capital K very often unless it's like in a name. Lowercase k. Big line down, pick up your pencil. Now it's just above that dotted line. Little line diagonal, little line down. Big line down, little line diagonal, little line down. Nicely done. I love that you're taking your time. Gonna make a big difference with your writing, that you're taking your time. Uppercase L. Big line down, little line to the side. Big line down, little line to the side. Even though it's a simple letter, let's take our time. Practicing these straight lines is helpful for the entire alphabet. And lastly, lowercase l. It's just straight down. And we are going to take our time going top to bottom. Remember not to hold your pencil too tight. We don't want your hand to get tired with all of this amazing writing you're doing. Great job. Upper and lowercase k and l.